Alright, screwdriver is ready. So let's see if I can lift this battery without damaging the phone. I'm not entirely sure if there is a right or a wrong way to do it, but I assume I cannot go too much without knowing if this will work. As far as I can tell, there should be some sort of adhesive on the or glue on the back side of the battery. Yes, I think it works. I'm not entirely sure if it should be lifting quicker, but I do not see any other way of doing this. Please keep in mind that this is the first time I am replacing a phone battery for a phone that is like this, so probably it's not necessarily the best tutorial, but anyway, I have replaced phone batteries, but not in those type of phones. But as far as I can tell, there is still some sort of adhesive holding the battery in place. I'm trying to lift it from the underside so that the part closer to the edge is already lifting, and hopefully taking out any sort of glue near that part, because it will help in lifting it. I have to be careful because the battery it's strange because now it seems that the battery previous bulge has been slightly reduced, though it's clear that the bulging is present. So probably parts of the vapor that were originally expanding in this seal are now vacuumed, or they are on the other side of the battery, which again is not quite impossible to predict or to expect. But generally speaking, I do not think that, oh sorry, hope the screen doesn't crack. It may seem almost impossible, but not entirely sure what's going to happen. Anyway, okay, I'm paying close attention to the connector that is on this side, so hopefully I will be able to see it before too much force is being applied. Okay, trying to slowly lift it. Perhaps I will give you a better view. I'm not entirely sure if you're going to be able to see this. Let me just get the gist of it. Okay, good. Now, yes, this is pretty bad. The connector has snapped, although I'm quite sure I will be able to unmount it. But let me see where it is being plugged in. Oh, it's on the underside. Okay, so I have to take out all these screws in order to access the battery connector. This is considerably more of a challenge than I was expecting. Yes, so quite poor manufacturing, or poor design, I have to say, because in order to do such a simple repair, I hoped that this would not be the case, but it seems to be unavoidable. So as far as I can tell, by attempting to place the new one, it should be somewhere along this point, so having to take out the whole backside is going to require some effort. Alright, so let me look for another screwdriver that might be working with these small screws or screw heads.